Going for a walk down the beach, Sterling State Park, Monroe, Michigan. Somewhere around Monroe. The beach is pretty much all these broken seashells. There's these little small shells everywhere, so going barefoot can be a little risky. It's morning time, like 10 a.m., something like that. So campgrounds get a little busy around here. It's not really my style being at a campground with a million people, but I'm here with a friend, so thought y'all might enjoy a little walk down the beach. Sound of the waves. It's pretty windy. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay a second night. I slept so bad the first night in this tent. So I plan on enjoying the day and then maybe going home, because UFC's on tonight too, you know. They got these little cabins they rent. There's got to be 1,000 people here. What sucks is this: you feel like you're in someplace serene. Look at that. Boom. I don't know if that's a power plant or what. And there's one back over here too. You can't see through these trees, just billowing smoke out. Like, it completely ruins the scene. You feel like you got to be breathing toxic air. I don't know why they'd make it a state park right in between two of these most toxic smokestacks. That threw me off when I saw that. I'm like, ah, man. So that's what I'm breathing over here the whole time, huh? It's pure Michigan for you. You got to go up north to really get some pure Michigan. This is, you know, south of Detroit, between Detroit and Ohio. Got some bird life up here. These seagulls make so much noise. Oh, he's dragging his wing. I think he's hurt. Oh, this poor guy. Yeah, I think he's hurt. He's dragging his wing. See his wing dragging? Poor guy. Well, I'm in no position to bird rescue at the moment. Now, hopefully he survives till he heals out here. Man, you broke your wing, man. You broke your wing, guy. Look at this dude. Poor dude broke his wing, man. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go get that dude a cracker or something.